I'm here with my adorable puppy, Bella. Oh, look at her. She's looking at me. Belly, look at the camera. Belly. Belly, look at the camera. Belly, mommy. Belly doesn't want my dog doesn't want to look at the camera. She thinks it's evil, but it's actually not. It's good. Isn't it good to be back on Freedom? I got one more day off because I had 2 day offs on Friday and Thursday because Thursday was Thanksgiving. Oh, and I forgot to say Happy Thanksgiving to you guys because on Thursday the November the 23, it was Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. Goodbye. And and if you have a nice Thanksgiving, look I had. And if you had nice meal, then you know what I have then. So I have macaroni. It's not macaroni and cheese, it's just macaroni. It's yellow. It's light yellow, but it's not that dark yellow. And I had rice. Rice. I had another kind of rice with beans. Yellow rice with beans. Oh, you scared me. You scared me right there. Sorry, Joe. How about you say hi? Actually, he's like, no way, I don't want to. So guys, if you have any trouble with your Thanksgiving party, just call me. Not call me. Just text me on the YouTube thing. And then I'll just hear it and I'll do another video if you guys want to hear it. Bye bye. And I'm a YouTuber now. One of the YouTubers says I'm a YouTuber. Actually, the YouTuber doesn't say that. It's just I got this camera right here. And I'm a YouTuber now. Goodbye.